A very good morning, guys. Today I am here in Al Khair to see Mr. Abdul Mubarak. Mubarak is one of my trainee who has been assigned to Al Khair for a practical training. So we are very excited to see him, his location, his area, and we are going to talk to him regarding the problems he are facing in this area. Generally, this area belongs to Gantut Constructing Company. This area generally is involved in excavation jobs which are being excavated, and they are preparing one sewage pipeline for almost like 20 kilometers. So we are very happy to introduce Mr. Mubarak. How are you?
I'm fine, mister.
Yeah. So Mr. Mubarak is here, and today we are going to talk to him related to his problems, his difficulties when he is assigned in this type of a project. The project itself, it's a challenging for everyone who will be assigned here. There are a lot of loopholes, problems which we are going to be faced. All right. So welcome to our conversation. Mr. Mubarak, how you are feeling in this area?
So I want to observe more of things
All right.
with your help.
Thank you very much. And what are the hazards you will find in this total?
A lot of hazard.
All right.
There are some of the hazard like when they are lifting the shoring, the JCB lifting the shoring. The person who guide that shoring, they don't use the rope to control it.
Exactly.
They use by hand.
Exactly.
That's one of that risk.
And this all area is all belongs to Gantut.
So, yes.
So they have different areas like
Different
spots.
locations.
They have locations.
Yes.
Different locations they have.
Yes.
So
I
when
would
you
say-
are traveling or you are walking to another location to location, you will find difficult
Uh,
things
dif- uh,
like
dif-
different things
the
like
different things from the separate location.
Okay.
Like in there they have a welding,
okay.
and in there have excavation,
Okay.
and maybe in there have excavation also.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay. So now almost like their manpower is also not so much. They have location in charge like supervisor or foreman in particular areas, right?
Not like in Samit.
Samit.
Only that construction.
Okay.
Not
And
from it.
another one is from this.
And
So sometime you will get the visit of any HSC in charge or
yes,
HSC.
from the Dipum. They
Dipum.
are coming that about at 9 at o'clock.
Uh-huh.
They come to observing and check that area, have anything, and they are want something like that. That in charge
So-
for the Gantut
Company.
company.
Like we are talking about Deepam. Mr. Deepam is our HSC engineer who belongs to Gantut company,
Yes,
and is a very nice guy and very helpful guy.
yeah.
Whenever you will ask anything to help, he will be very ready and excited to help. So whenever he comes, he will talk to our trainees and he will guide them. If he needs any document related to the job work activities, he will provide them. So it's a very good relationship we have with Mr. Deepam. So thank you very much for the day and wish you a best of luck for your
Thanks.
training.